Believe it or not, every single week I spend a lot of time creating these types of videos. I need to research, I need to figure out a good idea, I need to script, I need to film, I need to edit, and it takes a lot of time. So this week I weren't so lucky. My brain didn't work, I wasn't able to figure out the exact idea, I didn't have any concept, because the thing is, I really wanted to give you some sort of package. I really want to deliver a video to you every single Friday, and I want that video to be filled with a bunch of stuff that you can take and you can learn and you can apply to your YouTube channel. But here's the thing, by the end of the day I weren't able to figure out something, and so I started to just watch YouTube. This past week I've just been watching and scratching my head and like pulling on my hair because I couldn't really figure out what can I provide to you guys. I really wanted to post a video every single Friday, but I wasn't able to. But I'm still going. I really love YouTube. So I started to watch YouTube and I saw this one video from the Sidemen. They had this one video called Hide and Seek, finding 50 YouTubers or something on a big island. And when I saw the video, it was great. Check it out, it doesn't really matter. But the point is, that thumbnail, I will put it on screen. That one right there, I have seen it before, and I've seen it in different formats also, because the thing is, that thumbnail is a straight copy and paste from MrBeast 100 million special, where he decided to hide his 100 million creator plaque on a big island, and he basically brought some subscribers to try to find that briefcase. You sometimes need to figure out, okay, you have your idea, but you need to figure out your concept. What is your next concept for your video? Because if you are making videos about this and that and that's fun, but after a while you stop thinking about anything else because you only focus on your niche and the topic of your YouTube channel, and that's fine. But sometimes you want to talk about something else. I wish sometimes I can be talking about video games because I'm really passionate about video games. So I discovered that you can easily change up the pace by just introducing something new. Let's take MrBeast one more time. He has his own chocolate brand, Feastables. What I want you to do is to try to think, how can I make a video on my YouTube channel with Feastables? Or something else. It doesn't have to be Feastables, but we want to have some sort of concept that we can apply to our channel. But here is the challenge. If we take a cooking channel, for example, then it's easy. They can have a taste test, they can rank it between different chocolates, they can have a blind test, whatever. That's easy for a cooking channel. But if you are a design channel, how are you able to do something with this chocolate? Well, here's where the concept comes in. Because what you can do is you can take the chocolate and you can either make a video where you break down the design, maybe you try to rework the design, or you can do something with your niche. So it's all about finding your concept. In my channel, I basically teach you guys how you can grow your YouTube channel. How can I talk about gaming? Because gaming is something that I really love. I can easily do it. I can just make a video about, if you are a gaming YouTuber, you should do this. If you love to play games, live stream on YouTube, there are so many different ways that we need to think about our videos. And if you are in a specific niche, then just try to twist it up a bit, make something that you haven't done before, look at what everyone else is creating and try to make it your own twist, your own spin on the same thing. And there you have a new concept for your video. It will now open up your whole imagination. That is basically the video for this week. Remember to subscribe if you enjoyed the content, and click this video right here if you want to watch the next one. Leave a like, subscribe, Espion, peace out, bye bye, subscribe, bye bye bye.